So many people wonder what God thinks about them. I know that when I turned my life around to the Lord back in 1982, I really thought before that if I got close to God, just close enough where we were on talking terms, that He was going to pay me back for everything I had said, done, places I'd been, sins I'd committed. And I was a little bit intimidated about it. But let me tell you, I found out that God was so loving, so kind, and so good, and anything but what religion teaches. I was shocked. One of the things that He said to me, I remember just maybe a few days after I had turned my life around to the Lord, and I don't really have time to get into that tonight, but I was thinking about all that I had done and what I had been, and basically I had told God, I've just been a slap in your face. And He said these words to me, and it was something that I had never heard anybody say in the world, and when I say this, you'll understand it. He said to me, just forget it. I have a new life for you. And I remember it was almost like I was in a fog with these words. It was like, just forget it. Whoever does that? You know, you make a mistake and someone hears it, and or you'd say something stupid or whatever, and your friends won't let you live it down, or acquaintances, and it just goes on forever. And those words, that was quite a while ago. I was just 21 years old, going on 22, and I'm 51 years old now today. That was 30 years ago, and I still remember those awesome words. God's the God who gives you a fresh new start. God's the one who forgives us of our sin when we come to Him. He wipes the slate clean. He really cares about you.